Imagine for a moment that there is a virtual world where you can live, work, shop, and engage in conversation with others, all while physically sitting on your sofa. This location is referred to as the Metaverse. The term Metaverse was normalized in October 2021, when Facebook announced that it would be changing its corporate name to Meta. At that time, the business declared its intentions to invest a total of $10 billion over the course of the following year for the development of technologies that would help it realize its vision of the Metaverse. The Metaverse is often regarded as the next stage in the development of the Internet. It will manifest itself in a variety of ways, such as in gaming, online communities, and business meetings in which participants share a digital avatar of themselves with one another. Welcome to Crypto News. Today we are going to talk about the Metaverse. Stay with us until the end of the video to know more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified for all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. Metaverse isn't new. A science fiction novel Snow Crash first described it in 1992. Several firms established online communities based on the idea, including 2003's Second Life. In the Metaverse, people use avatars to communicate and form a community. Digital cash is used in the Metaverse to buy clothes, weapons, and other stuff. Virtual reality headsets and controllers let users explore the Metaverse for enjoyment. Snow Crash portrayed the Metaverse in a dismal light. Neil Stephenson coined Metaverse as a virtual reality-based internet. In Stephenson's Metaverse, a user's avatar reflected their technological proficiency. Access to restricted areas was another status indicator, a predecessor to paywalls and registration restrictions. Ernest Cline's Ready Player One popularized the Metaverse, a movie directed by Steven Spielberg. In the 2011 dystopian sci-fi novel, people escape Earth's difficulties in the Oasis. Users access the digital world using a virtual reality visor and haptic gloves. What is the difference between the Internet and the Metaverse? The Internet is a global network that connects numerous computers, web servers, and other types of electronic equipment. Internet users can communicate with one another, view and engage with websites, and buy and sell goods and services. The Internet is not the only platform that the Metaverse builds upon, rather, it competes with it. Users navigate a virtual world that, utilizing technologies such as virtual reality (VR), augmented reality (AR), artificial intelligence, social media, and digital currency, mimics features of the actual world that they are familiar with. This is the Metaverse. People surf the Internet to find the information they are looking for. In the Metaverse, it is possible for people to live there to some extent. Even national governments have the potential to expand their authority into the Metaverse. For instance, the Caribbean nation of Barbados intends to establish a diplomatic embassy in the Metaverse, more especially in the virtual realm of Decentraland. The expansion of the Internet has resulted in the birth of a great number of services that are paving the way for the development of the Metaverse. In gaming you see Roblox, Minecraft and other immersive video games, and even Zoom, foreshadow what the Metaverse is designed to offer, said Ben Badjarin, an analyst at Creative Strategies. You even have a kind of digital presence on social media. Now he says it's a question of what form the Metaverse ultimately takes. Will it be open like the Internet? Or will it be more of a gated experience controlled by a few big companies? The big players all want to be early movers and have their own ecosystem win out, Badjarin said. Metaverse companies. The following is a list of businesses that each have their own unique vision for the Metaverse. Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg claimed Facebook's Metaverse investment was part of a new ambition to bring the Metaverse to life in an open letter. He claimed Facebook is Metaverse first, not Facebook first. Facebook has sold millions of Oculus VR headsets for accessing the Metaverse. Facebook announced Horizon Worlds in late 2021, a VR place users may navigate as an avatar. Epic Games. Epic Games, the creators of the massively popular online shooter game series Fortnite, which has over 350 million users, as well as the Unreal Engine software that is used by game developers, aim to stake a claim in the Metaverse after receiving a funding of approximately $1 billion in 2021. This includes a contribution of $200 million from Sony Group Corporation. Epic Games' vision of the Metaverse is distinct from that of Facebook's in that it envisions the creation of a communal place in which users may connect with each other and with companies, but without the presence of a news feed that is overrun with advertisements. I strongly believe that this aligns with our purpose to fill the world with emotion, through the power of creativity and technology, said Kenichiro Yoshida, Chairman, President and CEO at Sony Group Corporation in a statement. Microsoft Teams Mesh will launch in 2022. The new technology lets Teams members in different locales join holographic virtual meetings. Microsoft's Mesh lets users establish a virtual presence on any device with a customized avatar. This expands on Microsoft's prior release of Mesh, a developer platform with AI-powered capabilities for avatars, session management, spatial rendering, multi-user synchronization, and holoportation. Holoportation allows users recreate and broadcast high-quality 3D models of humans in real time. Microsoft and Accenture are creating immersive Mesh spaces. Mesh helps Accenture onboard more than 100,000 new workers annually. New employees meet on Teams to receive instructions on how to build a digital avatar and access one Accenture park. The future amusement park-like environment contains a conference room, virtual boardroom, and digital monorails. How do NFTs fit into the metaverse? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are crucial to the metaverse success. NFTs employ the same blockchain technology as cryptocurrencies. NFTs can represent art, music, or digital real estate instead of currency. An NFT is a digital deed that may be bought or sold in the metaverse. Metaverse Properties is the first virtual real estate company. The company facilitates the acquisition or renting of property in Decentraland, Sandbox, Somnium, and Upland. Conference and commercial venues, art galleries, family houses, and hangout locations. Established brick-and-mortar enterprises are also jumping into the metaverse to offer digital goods, like Metaverse Properties. Nike purchased RTFKT, which manufactures virtual footwear and digital artifacts utilizing NFTs, blockchain authentication, and augmented reality. RTFKT's website says it was born in the metaverse, which defines its feel. Nike filed 7 trademarks to make and sell virtual footwear and apparel before the acquisition. Nikeland is a digital environment where Nike enthusiasts may play games, socialize, and dress their avatars in virtual clothes. NFTs and blockchain lay the groundwork for digital ownership, said Nick Donarski, CEO of ORE System, an online community of gamers, content creators and game developers. Ownership of one's real-world identity will carry over to the metaverse, and NFTs will be this vehicle. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see in the metaverse. If you liked our video, like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be notified about future videos. Thanks for watching.